Are you a federal or postal employee trying to figure out how to make the most of your retirement money? Well, you've probably heard of a Roth IRA, or maybe you're wondering, is it really worth it? Well, maybe you're thinking, I already have TSP, do I need one more? Well, yep, we're going to talk about that coming up. We really enjoy producing these videos, and if you enjoy them as much as we enjoy making them, would you do us the favor and click the subscribe button? Also, clicking the like will help the metrics, and clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts on Saturdays. Also, if you are a government employee, we have produced a handbook that will explain all government benefits to you. We've been doing this for many years, and it's available to you free. Just simply contact us. Again, I thank you very much for watching this video. I know we talked about a Roth IRA earlier, but we're going to be talking about Roth again. Here's the truth. If you're not at least looking into the advantage of a Roth IRA, you could be leaving thousands of dollars on the table, money that you've worked so hard to earn. And we get it, retirement planning can often feel overwhelming. It's one of those things, you know, that is important, but life gets busy and you put it off, and putting it off will only cost you more money. But what if I told you that setting up a Roth IRA doesn't just grow your savings, it gives you control over your financial future? We're going to break it down here. A Roth IRA is a special kind of retirement account. You put money in that you've already paid taxes on, and then when you retire, you take it out tax-free. Yes, you heard that right, tax-free. That means the money that you invest now has the potential to grow and grow over the years, and when it's time to retire, you don't owe Uncle Sam a dime. Think about it. You're a federal employee, you've got your TSP, you've got your pension, but most of those are taxable when you retire. But where the Roth IRA shines is it gives you flexibility. You're not just stacking more money, you're stacking options. There is something out there that's really going to make a matter to you down the line. Unlike other retirement accounts, you're not forced to withdraw money at any particular age. You can withdraw it whenever. Most accounts that are tax deferred make you start withdrawing money at age 73, even if you don't want to. But with a Roth IRA, you decide when or even if you want to touch it. That means if you want to let it keep growing, you can, and that's absolutely huge. It's also a powerful tool if you're thinking about your family. With a Roth IRA, you can pass that money on without making your loved ones pay taxes on it. So let's recap the key advantages of a Roth IRA, especially if you're a federal or a postal worker. Number one, tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Number two, no required distributions. Your money stays put until you need it. Number three, you can access your contributions anytime without penalties. Number four, you create a better balance between taxable and non-taxable retirement income. Number five, you leave a stronger financial legacy for your loved ones. Now you might be thinking, can I have both a TSP and a Roth IRA? Absolutely. In fact, for many of the folks out here, the folks that we talk to, the combo is a winning formula. The Roth TSP is great, but it doesn't give you the same freedom when it comes to investment options. You get the same investment options that a traditional TSP does, but with a Roth IRA, you're actually in charge. You get to pick your investments. You get to adjust the amounts as needed, and you're not locked into any limited set of funds. So let's talk about real numbers here. You see, in 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 to a Roth IRA if you're under age 50, and if you're over age 50, that bumps up to $8,000. And the best part, you don't have to dump it in all at once. You can chip away at it, $50 a week, $100 a month, whatever fits into your life right now. It's not about being perfect, it's about getting started. Here's another thing to consider. A lot of federal and postal employees that we speak to aren't aware of the income limits of a Roth IRA. If your income is too high, you might not qualify to contribute directly, but there's even a way around that, and that's using a backdoor Roth IRA strategy. This is where working with someone who understands federal benefits really matters. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. That's why we're here. At the Benefit Coordinators, we work with federal and postal employees every single day. We understand the ins and outs of your benefits and how to help you make the most of your benefits. We don't just hand you a brochure or send you on your way. We will actually sit down with you and talk you through your goals, your budget, and what matters to you. Because this isn't just about money, it's about your freedom, it's about your peace of mind, it's about knowing that you're building something solid, not just for retirement, but for life. We've seen firsthand how one small change, like opening a Roth IRA, can completely shift someone's financial future. And here's the truth, most people won't tell you. The earlier you start, the better off you'll be. Time is actually your best friend when it comes to retirement savings. And the Roth IRA rewards that time with compounding growth and tax-free income later. Even if you're in your 40s, 50s, it's not too late. There is still time to build a plan that actually works. But if you start, that's the step. You just have to take that first step. So here's what I would like you to do. If you're even thinking about retirement right now, why don't you reach out to us? Whether you're just starting out, halfway there, or getting close to the finish line, we can help you make sense of what is possible. The Roth IRA isn't the only tool, but it might be the missing piece in your puzzle. And if you're not sure where to start, that's okay, we get that. We'll walk you through it, answer your questions, and make sure you feel confident about whatever decision that you would make. Because that's what we do here. We help federal and postal employees plan smarter, live better, and retirement stronger. Let's make sure your retirement isn't just something you hope works out. It's something you can count on.